All right.
Oh, I dropped something. Where'd you get that from?
It's
How's
mine.
that?
It's mine.
Yeah, it is yours. Specialty tool. It's even got a part number on it and everything.
Oh.
Good looking buying one. I've never seen them listed since I bought it.
Interesting.
Guess what it does?
Push out your bearing.
Not on this machine, it's too tall.
Man, that'd be a bad day if we got your finger.
I've had it drop on your foot before. This big one hurts. These are light.
Oh, yeah. I'll take your word for it.
You will? It comes down with a thud. Now you can't do this with a modern motor because it'll break the case. But old motors don't matter. They're strong. See, we got our tubes down there. Catches stuff. What stinks around here? Oh, your underwear are dirty. Scooby don't like the smell. He don't like the smell of that.
He's like, It is. It's gross.
Burnt oil. Okay. Now, the other side. Flip it over. You got one of these, right? See that oil hole right there?
Mm-hmm.
You line up with that hole, or if that's straight up and down, close enough. And you put that right there. Then you go down. Once again, these are strong. You do it like this. That is a tight, tight squeeze. Damn, that's a tight squeeze. That's tight. Way tight. That is tight. That is tight. Feels like an oversize. You don't think they mispackage stuff, do you? That doesn't fit in there either. See, it only fits in old ones, not new ones. Here's your old one. You get dirty? Come on, move. It's singing out there. Would you call it singing?
Serenading
or
you.
moaning? Yeah, Scooby. What the hell's going on here? Okay, it's about 2.5. Yeah, same size. Okay. See that lube over there?
It was this guy, right?
Yep. Fresh fit lube. That's a tight squeeze. This thing's almost as bad as that other stuff. This is definitely not a happy camper going there. Standard, at least. That was double what it should be.
Interesting.
That was like 7-8 tons of pressure. Do that on another case. See the press fit loop come out?
Yeah.
See, no metal came out, so it went in, but it's tight. That's a lot of press fit. Way more than I would normally put. That's what it wanted. That's what Harley said it was supposed to have, I guess. It's their case. That was tight. That was definitely that was a case splitter there. Oh, split in half.
And then I would cry.
See, I'd have to fix
You want to see a grown man cry, Tatro?
I'd have to fix it. Gee, think how I'd feel. I'd have to fix it damn thing. That'd be a lot of work. I had to happen on a Sportster case once.
Really?
Split right through the deck from welding it. Too much heat, one spot. That's why I learned how you got to heat the whole case up, not just where you're going to weld. I had to fix the case after it broke. A lot of work. Okay, when you make sure the bearing rotates, it does. There you go. No light, you can't see squat.
Well,
This is heavy.
it's always lighting.
This is your job.
Boom.
Your job. Carry. Hold. There, you can take all the pictures you want now. You
All
don't
right.
want to do it. Okay, we're going that way.
All right. Lead the way.
And then you get to get by me.
Like to do it the hard way, Tatro.
You're about as good.
Okay.
You know where this goes. Good spot for that. Okay. Look how pretty these look after we hone them or clean them. Nice and smooth. Gotta find some bearings for them though. Yeah, where'd you get that piece of crap? There's your mic. Okay, we're moving on. We're done with that piece. Let's go to this piece. What you doing with that thing? Purple over there. Don't drop it. Don't drop it at all. You might see me cry. Probably not. Might be some other reaction. You might not like it. Okay, so we got to zero this back out after I used it last time. Okay, how much did it change? It changed 1 1/4 tenths. It just went back. So you make it 0, see? Get that?
Oh, you're too fast. You're too fast or I'm too slow.
Too slow, and I got time. You're wasting an hour already.
Hour, gone.
I'm gonna get that back. I'm getting that hour back. Okay, what size do we want? That is a lot of honing. See that extra couple thou press fit it had in it? Now I gotta hone it out.
Huh.
Because normally you're like 1 here and you gotta hone over the 1 over here, and I gotta take 1, 2, 3, 4 thou out. Because that thing is so stinking crushed. It shrunk the piss out of it. More work for me now. Okay, maybe we're lucky out and this thing's way undersized. Not gonna happen. Yeah, it's right on the money, 0. Yeah, great. Means more work for me. Okay, 0 there, 0 there, 0, 0. See, it's on 0. 0. See, 0's over here, and then over here it's 0 there.
Mm-hmm.
0. Everything's 0. Okay, need some bearings. Where's your bearings? Got some bearings in your back pocket?
Negative.
We need some 2/10 over bearings and some 5 under bearings for the rocks. Put that on top of the table there. Scooby is having fun over here. Scooby, what are you doing? Scooby's being a pain. Are you in my way? Scooby's in my way. Bearings. We have very few left. I think that's the last set I got left. Yeah, there might be 2 in there, but that's about it. Okay, rod bearings, 2/10. Big twin, right? That'd be this 2. Scooby's there. Okay, here's we have 2/10 bearings left. Good. We need those.
That's good.
These we're not so good on. Here we go. Do you want the Harley Davidson ones? Or do you want the Nimco, Setco one? Sonax one? Or would you rather have the rusty Dixie ones? Do you have a preference? You probably want that genuine Harley stuff, right?
Sure.
So I knew the type of guy you were. Look at that. What year are those made?
E6.
Dates on them. Mine are October 90. What do you got?
Oh, 1090. I see there.
See, they're made in October of 90. Enough here to do a whole motor? Oh, these are 1 plus 1/10. That's odd size. What side is plus 1/10? I don't want plus 1/10. I want negative 5/10. I can go with negative 1,000 fine, because I got a lot of honing to do. Yeah, looks like we're using these. Ooh, I got some of these over here too. I'm about to find me a new source of bearings. This is the last set of these. Have to figure out who I can buy some from. Obviously, they're getting hard to come by. What do we got here? 2/10 under. We didn't do that, did we? See, it's 2/10 under. See, it's on the 8. See that? I can't see. Look at that close. You didn't get rust all over there by touching it, did you? Okay, 2/10 under. You want 9/10 clearance? What's that make it? What number we want?
7.
7 what?
Tenths, right?
I don't
9 tenths minus 2.
Well, we're at 0.
Uh-huh.
We have to add clearance. 9/10. And the bearings are what size?
2 under.
So you take 4 back off. 5.
Okay.
Got that?
Yep.
So we want 5 to 6. Unless you run it hard and you have another 1 or 2. And we were what? 4 under. Not 4/10. 4 thou. That's 40.
4 thou.
40 tenths. You know how much honing I gotta do? Be here all day. A lot of honing to do. I don't like that bearing.
What that's all about.
That sucked. Remember, tight parts mean more work for me. Oh, you broke it. Where did it go? Bang. this is broken, that's why it comes out. Something's broken. It would stay in there if it wasn't. It's not there, really. Okay, we're not using those anymore. Moving up. These two. CR2s. All right. What size do you want?
5 to 6.
Thousands?
Yes.
All right. 33. 31. 24. 26. What's that mean?
We got a taper.
This means that around a little bit and tapers just slightly. We got a lot of work to do. There yet? Good. What do you got now? What, zero? Yeah, we're on 18. 17, 18. 20. 20. You took out a whole towel.